besoin de venir. Ok, ok. Mais enine fait créer là. Mais enine fait créer. T'as souhaité le dire la police rive l'hôpital. T'as souhaité le dire la police rive. Enine, est-ce que la police rive l'hôpital?
Moi là, même temps yo dit que la police va essayer d'aider, mais vous connaissez même Haïti en toujours hier. Moi pas sorti la nuit là. Je pas sorti, yo c'est demain si Dieu peut ta venir côté pour venir pour moi. Même t'as plus envie pour écouter Tarian, je prends pas document on met Tarian. Mais pour me sortir prendre la rue dans nuit là dans l'heure ça, je pas faire ça confiance quelle que soit la police. Ça c'était police canadien ou bien armée canadienne. Ou bien armée américain, bagaille comme ça.
Est-ce que, alors, respecter opinion et décision parce que il y a pas avec vie, mais est-ce que vous avez présence la police l'hôpital? Est-ce que vous avez présence la police?
Oh non, pourquoi il y a une police qui vient là, non?
Ça veut dire, si la police t'a venu là, ou t'a demandé de préférence pour y aller des passeports là pour avant.
Non, mais Tarian, et puis lui-même
Ok.
qui prend qui est en dedans pour 7 jours là, c'est moi si sauvé hier. Il t'a supposé faire une pétition par elle. À tout le monde qui est dans là ensemble avec lui. Parce que il maltraité, il moqué, il m'a ça me pas de bré.
Ok. Si on moun ta vle utiliser, tout à l'heure, vous dites que bon bois, soit pas de bois. Et on sait, pas vrai?
Oui.
Ok. Moi, t'as rien pendant sur écran. Si on moun ta vle utiliser image ça pour porter l'ambassade canadienne pour t'amender comme si pour international l'attaque lui-même. Ouais, bien sûr, pour t'interpeller international face à la situation crivolant parce que ou si t'es nos maris ou si t'es nos sœurs. Pas comme qui langue vous voulez, si en français ou en créole, parce que je crois que Toronto, vous parlez anglais.
Anglais.
Ok. Je vais envoyer un message pour vous pendant là.
Okay, this message is for the police department in Toronto, Canada. I am currently in Haiti. I was supposed to be here for a wedding. I left 16th of December to get here. I got to Haiti on the 16th. Since I get here, they keep me captured and never take me to a hospital. They said I was not feeling well the same night I got here. And then they never take me to the hospital or doing anything. I am currently 19 weeks pregnant. They give me some strong medication that make me very sick. I need help. Actually, my sister, Tarian Mirar, who is currently live right here in La Pointe de Palmis in Port-de-Paix area, she's currently have my passport. I even been begging my own husband to make them, sorry, it's a flight, to make her give me my passport. He did not want to. They keep saying, I'm not feeling well. I have mental issue. Yes, I've been having some breakdowns past lately, but I'm currently fine right now. I am fine. I just need my passport and I need to leave the country as soon as possible, and I need some security to be with me because I have been mistreated so bad. They make me drink things that I'm not supposed to be drinking because when I arrived here at the hospital, because I skipped, they had my phone. I skipped with my phone. When I arrived there, I'm right here in the hospital. When I arrived there last night, the doctor that ran some tests on me, they realized that I've been very affected with like some bladder infections. They've been giving me some antibiotic, as you can see, to see if they can help me, because when I pee, it was really, really red, and it will take me a whole day to pee. And
Can you please show again your left hand?
Oh, this is the thing they use to give me, because I was dehydrated. They didn't feed me much, and I didn't drink much of water, so they find me dehydrated. They put me on IV since last night, and they give me antibiotic also. I only get like 3 doses already. Now I need to leave from this area because I'm not safe, and I need help, security.
Okay. Okay, I'm not forcing you. So are you allowed to give your husband full name?
Yeah, my husband is Jean David Fanor. I did call the police. Actually, when I had stole the phone yesterday, I stole the phone and I sent some messages from my status. And somebody said if I need some help, they will call 911 for me to go question my husband. Somebody did call 911 to question my husband, and I don't because they got control over my phone. I didn't know what's going on. Everything did not finish well. Um, that's sorry. Yeah.
Ok, ok, merci un pile pour version anglaise. Je pense que on monde peut utiliser ça pour capable permettre que si
I
vous
can
voulez.
say some. I want to add something, just because I used to have some breakdown before, some postpartum disorder, stuff like that. They using that just because they know I used to have those stuff in my medical history. They using that. They saying, oh, she's sick, she's sick. Okay, I don't have a problem. I'm sick. If I am sick, I should be here in a hospital, be treated. I don't need to be taken out at midnight to a group of people. I should not be mistreated. I
So
should have help.
can you give your phone? Can you spell your phone number like that
Pardon?
people can know that they can help you, or the
What
hospital
do I have to
name, the
spell?
address, and everything.
What do I have to
No, no,
spell?
I mean the hospital name,
Oh,
the
it's
name of
called
the hospital.
Beraca, Beraca. It's in La Pointe, Pointe area, like northwest area. And
So,
my sister
gen
Taria,
moun la ki bezon ba yo, version Creole la, because your life is in danger. So I know that's why I wanted you to say something in English so
yeah,
people can use that part to show to the NBC
yeah. Since they
and
say I have
one
mental
konen sa
issue,
kape.
I don't mind. I have mental issues. Some people say I have mental issue just because they know my story, medical story, stuff like that. They using that. No, I am currently fine right now. If I had mental issue, I won't be able to skip from them yesterday. And when I got to the hospital, they won't be able to hide me from that little room because they come and get me so many times they didn't want to give me. When they say she has mental issue, the doctor say the patient is really need to be treated when she does not have mental issue. So they transfer me to the pediatrician area, to the pediatric area where, because I'm pregnant, that they can do ultrasound for me. They did not make any ultrasound to see if the baby's okay because they make some stink drinks, force me to drink them.
So you said that the same people came over the hospital to get you, right? That's what you said.